Ugh, why are none of our ideas working? Hiccup! Make hiccup! Them! Hiccup! Stop! Hiccup! Don't worry, Supertato. We'll have those hiccups cured before you know it. Tato promise. Tato promise. Hiccup! 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 That didn't work. I've got it. Stand upside down. Okay. Paiso, are you sure this is going to work? Totally. Hiccup!
That's bad as the hiccups. Oh, what a shame. Just means they'll have to sit out.
Hiccup! 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 Enough! I'm not a superhero anymore! P!
It's evil, P!
Hiccup!
With your hiccups, nothing can stop me.
Not if we can help.
Catch me if you can.
Stop! Hiccup! That! Hiccup! P! Hiccup! After her! Flappity flippers! Wait for me! Hiccup! Oh, it's no use. Hiccup! Back off, pea-brain! Help! My friends! They're in trouble! Hiccup! Hiccup! Supertato! Time's up, P.
How did you get up here?
With my potato.
Oh, slush bags. Hiccup! Ag! I'll be you next time, Supertato!
Great rescue, Supertato. Oh, I'll always have a friend.